This morning, Wilma's going to help us make a peach cobbler.
She's so funny. Okay, good morning. Peach cobbler is very simple, and this is what we do. We have our batter here. The batter consists of 1 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, and about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I put all the dry ingredients into the sifter to make sure that we get all the lumps out of that self-rising flour. And so we put it in there, put a cup of milk, and again 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and whisk it up with the 1 egg.
Does it matter what kind of milk?
No, I used a mixture of heavy whipping cream, half and half, so half water and heavy whipping cream to make my milk this morning, which I always use heavy cream for just about everything. And then what you do while you're mixing up the batter, you go ahead and you put 1 stick of butter into the oven at 350 degrees, and you melt it as it's doing right now.
Do you put it in a bowl or something before you put it in the oven?
No, I put it into the pan that I'm going to bake the...
So you don't put it into the bottom of the oven and let it just melt on the bottom?
No. I put it into the pan, as you see, and it's going to melt. And then I will pour the batter on top in the dish on top of the butter, so that the butter will come up around it. Then what I do is I take peaches. Now you can use canned peaches, you can use fresh peaches, you can use frozen peaches. This actually are frozen peaches that Grandma Snyder made. So I'm going to, once I pour the batter on, then I am going to pour the peaches on top of the batter. I will put it all back into the oven in the same pan, and I'll set it for 350 for 35 minutes and let it bake. And then we'll have a nice peach cobbler.
And we'll have pictures later this afternoon.
And Wilma's going to continue to help us.